This one I found really interesting. So this story, the headline is Saudi Arabia nearly doubles estimate for the value of its mineral resources. And that headline, I was like, hang on. This is the whole country. Like, this is the whole of Saudi Arabia. And then all of a sudden they've just popped up and been like, I read this headline. It's like they just double the estimate. Can you imagine like Mohammed bin Salman or something being like, hey, yeah, what you've got there, just go times, the multiply, by 2. Yeah, cool. Okay.
So, someone needs to be fired. Either the guy who made the last valuation or the guy who made the current value. One of them's wrong.
I wonder when the last one was done, because it's, I mean, to have it nearly doubling in the value of your resources, it seems bonkers. Anyway, let me tell you about it, Hamish. Saudi Arabia nearly doubled the estimate for the value of its mineral resources and is seeing lucrative deals signed during its Future Minerals Forum held in Riyadh this week, ministers told CNBC. Estimates for the kingdom's untapped mineral resources have jumped from 1.3 trillion in a 2016 forecast to 2.5 trillion, according to Saudi Mineral Resources and Industry Minister, watch me butcher this, Bandar Al Khorayef. How'd I go, Hamish?
It's probably pretty close.
I hope it's. I apologize if I mispronounced that. The resources include gold, copper, phosphate, and rare earth elements, offering new sources of subterranean wealth on top of Saudi Arabia's mammoth oil reserves. Quote, we believe today that our reserves potential have grown by 90%, Mining Minister Bandar Al Khorayef told Reuters in an interview. I don't know. Do you buy it, Hamish? Do you buy it?
Is that supposed to be a pun? Do you buy it? But I don't know. I mean, I don't know. How do they calculate this? I don't know. I can't say I know all that much about the minerals industry, let alone the Middle East.
Well, this is. Yeah, I can tell you the quote here from the minister is this increase of 1.2 trillion is a combination of more of what we have. So they've been doing geological surveys. So they've got more of what we have, like phosphate, and new resources like rare earths, and also a reevaluation of commodities pricing.
Right. Okay.
So it's kind of the three elements, but I mean, it is still all generated by Saudi Arabia. I mean, Saudi Arabia is not going to come out and say, we're actually downgrading what we think our minerals is worth. You're never going to get that, are you?
No, not at all. Yeah. It is crazy though. $2.5 trillion. Whoa.
Yeah.
They've got
money. They do. Yes, they've been spending. I said that already. They've been spending a lot of money on geological surveying, which has clearly found more resource deposits. Saudi Arabia also plans to award over 30 mining exploration licenses to international investors this year. So more international mining companies will be coming in, I would imagine. The concerted effort to invest in minerals exploration and mining and issue licenses to foreign investors is a part of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 program, which is a multi-trillion-dollar initiative launched by Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman to diversify the kingdom's economy away from oil, attract foreign investment, and provide more jobs for its burgeoning youth population. Mining is seen by the Saudi government as the third industrial pillar that will move its economy away from reliance on hydrocarbons.
Wow.
So they were talking about like tourism versus mining, and the way they're kind of thinking about it is tourism is very much an immediate flashbang, come give us money, whereas mining they see as very important, but a longer term, maybe slightly less profitable right now, but a longer term pillar that they're working on.